Let's begin. Walk around the space, exploring. Feel your feet connected to the earth. Look around the space. Just observe. Come to standing. Focus on the breath. Drop the breath into the legs. Bend and unbend the knees. Draw the hands to the heart. Breathe in, expanding the breath to the soles of the feet. Sway side to side on the feet, exploring the edges of balance. Breathe in, expanding the breath down the legs, through the feet, into the crystalline grid within the earth. Stabilize the balance, finding a place where all corners of the feet touch the earth. Open the soles of your feet and allow the support and nourishment of the earth to flow up the legs as you inhale. Bend and unbend the knees. The body receives the charge from the earth. Say the words, I am grateful. Expand gratitude from the heart. The arms circle forward, out, back, and around, returning the hands to the heart. Receive gratitude. Say, thank you. Circle the arms around again, returning the hands to the heart. Say, thank you. Bend and unbend the knees, moving with awareness. From the heart, say, I am grateful. Circle the arms around again. Return the hands to the heart and say, thank you. Open the palms out and up, facing the sky. Receive the simple sweetness of this moment. Breathe in, expanding the breath to the navel center. Place the hands on the navel center. Sway forward and back on the feet, exploring the edges of balance. Breathe in, expanding the breath into the low back, pelvis, and side body. Say, I release what does not serve my highest good. Exhale, expand the hands out. Draw the belly button to the spine. Create space around the belly. Inhale like a billows, return the palms to the relaxed belly. Inhale the palms to the belly. Exhale, empty out, curl forward, create space. Breathe out through the mouth. Slide the palms to the low back, fingers point up. All four corners of the feet touch the earth. Use the hands to guide the tailbone to the earth, belly to spine. Inhale, lift the heart up and out from the belly, look up. Exhale, return to neutral, bend the knees, breathe and charge. Exhale, palms down the legs. Roll the body forward into a forward fold with bent knees. Crown of the head to the earth. Release the back side of the neck. Let the arms hang. Rest the belly on the thighs. Slowly bend and unbend the knees. With each inhalation, rise. With each exhalation, fall. Receive the simple sweetness of this moment. Say, I release what does not serve my highest good. Blow the air out of the mouth, release what does not serve your highest good. Massage the backs and sides of the legs. Consciously connect. Feel the friction of the palms on the legs. Bend the knees and roll the spine up to standing. Palms connect, hands glide up the midline to the sky. Exhale as the palms press down to the earth. Say, He. Inhale, bend the knees, palms meet and glide up the midline, root in, rise up, extend, exhale. Open the arms wide and swan dive forward with knees bent to protect the low back. Crown of the head greets the earth, third eye to the earth. Exhale, surrender and fold. Inhale, flat back, eye meets the earth. Step the left leg back, left knee to the earth. Inhale, draw the arms up to the sky, look up. Exhale, palms to the earth. Right knee back to hands and knees. Arms slide forward, hips stacked over the knees, heart melts to earth. Forehead meets the earth. Inhale, round the spine. Exhale, heart to earth. Look forward. Inhale, round the spine. Exhale, heart to earth. Inhale, round. Exhale, like a wave, ripple the body forward, coming onto the belly. Arms extend forward. Forehead to the earth. Full body prostration. Let go of the thoughts. Let the heart be touched by the earth. The navel center reconnected to the earth mother. Receive the nourishment available in this moment of pause. Inhale, bend the elbows, connect the palms, and say, thank you. Extend the arms forward, slide the palms along the earth, hands under the shoulders. Inhale, roll the shoulders up, around, back and down the spine. Inhale, look forward and press the palms down and forward to float the torso upright. Exhale, roll over the feet, downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Spread the fingers, palms press into the earth, crown of the head to the earth. Look to the navel, tailbone extends out of the palms to the sky. Heels press into the earth away from the tailbone. Breathe naturally, explore. Bend and unbend the knees, lift and lower the heels. Inhale, round the spine, look forward and step the right leg forward. Exhale, drop the left knee to the earth. Inhale, the arms rise up, palms meet overhead. Exhale, hands down the midline of the earth. Inhale, step the left leg forward to meet the right. Flat back. Exhale, bend the knees, round the back, fold forward. Inhale, rise up, bringing the earth to the sky. Arms overhead, palms touching. Exhale, palms press to the earth and say, He. Arms extend by the side, fingertips to the earth. Ground and stabilize. Pause. Gaze forward. Inhale the arms out and up, palms meet overhead. Exhale the palms down the center line, folding forward with bent knees or a flat back, whichever feels best. Palms to the earth or the shins, crown of the head toward the earth, relax the shoulders. Bend the knees, rest the belly on the thighs. Inhale to flat back, exhale to fold. Breathe naturally. Observe internally. Inhale, massage the legs, receive the gift of your nourishing touch. Inhale to flat back. Exhale, step the right leg back, right knee to the earth. Inhale, draw the arms up to the sky, look up. Exhale, palms to the earth, left knee meets the right. Inhale, press the palms into the earth, round the spine, cat pose. Exhale, relax the belly to the earth, cow pose. Inhale, round the spine, release the neck. Exhale, relax the belly, look up. Inhale, arms slide forward, hips stacked over the knees, heart melts to the earth, forehead meets the earth. Exhale, heart to earth, look forward. Inhale, round the spine. Exhale, heart to earth. Inhale, round. Inhale, round the spine, gaze to the belly. Exhale, gaze forward. Inhale, round spine. Exhale, ripple the body forward, belly onto the earth. Arms extend forward, forehead meets the earth. Full body prostration, surrender and let go. Lay down all of your burdens, the struggle, the baggage, the pain, the fight. Send it all into the soil to be mulched. Fertilize the soil with the sweetness of your heart and the salty tears of your emotions. Give all of your weight to the earth and be held by the Earth Mother in this moment. Pause. Inhale, bend the elbows, connect the palms, and say, please forgive me. I am sorry. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Extend the arms forward, slide the palms along the earth, hands under the shoulders. Inhale, roll the shoulders up, around, back, and down the spine. Draw the tailbone towards the heels, grounding the pelvis into the earth. Inhale, look forward and press the palms down and forward to float the torso upright. Upward dog, rolling through to downward dog. Palms press the earth. Feet press the earth. Tailbone extends to the sky. Crown to earth, third eye to navel. Natural breath. Explore. Bend the knees, lift the heels, roll the spine, and twist. Inhale, round the spine, look forward, and step the left leg forward. Exhale, drop the right knee to the earth. Inhale, arms rise up, palms meet above the crown. Exhale, hands to earth. Inhale, step the right leg forward to meet the left, flat back. Exhale, bend the knees, round the back, fold forward. Inhale, roll up, bringing the earth to the sky, arms overhead, palms touching, look up. Exhale, extend arms out to the side, palms face inward, hold the chalice of gratitude above the heart and allow pure, clear, divine love to flow in. Gather the energy into the heart, say, thank you, I receive. Thank you, I am fulfilled. Thank you, I am. Breathe naturally, inhale peacefully. Exhale through an open mouth, harmonizing the internal and external. Notice the quality of your breath. Extend peace and harmony from the heart. The arms circle forward, out, back, and around, returning the hands to the heart. Receive. Say, thank you. Palms come to the base of the spine, fingers point up. Stabilize the pelvis, ground the feet, offer the heart to the sky in gratitude. As above, so below, the sacred embodiment of heaven on earth. Life. Take the left palm to the navel, right palm to the heart. Breathe in to expand the heart belly. An expression of divine love, this life, Thank you. Om Shanti. Arms by the sides, palms forward. Pause here. Natural breath, soft gaze. Look forward. This is the moment before walking forward into the best life. The next step, take it slow, remain conscious, connected, breathe, 1 foot at a time. Now, walk, go forward and fly. Thank you, thank you, thank you.